Hi. If anxiety has been part of your daily life lately and you're looking for a simple way to feel more in control, this might be a great place to start. The ebook 30-Day Anti Anxiety Challenge. A daily program is built around a clear idea. Small, consistent actions can help you calm your mind and build emotional balance over time. Instead of overwhelming you with too much information, this guide takes you step by step through a 30-day journey. Each day includes simple practices designed to help you reduce stress, feel more grounded, and create a sense of stability. Inside, you'll find techniques like breathing exercises, relaxation methods, and practical mindset tools inspired by approaches such as CBT. These are meant to help you interrupt anxious thoughts, understand them better, and respond in a calmer way. What makes this approach effective is consistency. You're not trying to fix everything overnight. You're building habits that support your mental well being little by little. There's also a structured format with daily prompts, reflections, and simple actions, making it easy to follow even on busy days. Over time, these small steps can help you feel more in control, reduce overwhelm, and create a calmer daily routine. And since it's a digital download, you can access it instantly and go through it at your own pace. If you're ready to take a more structured and realistic approach to managing anxiety, this is definitely worth checking out. You'll find 30-Day Anti-Anxiety Challenge, a daily program in the description. Take a look and see if it fits what you need right now.